well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be doing a what to buy from Lush for £50. I've done a few of these on my channel over the past 3-4 years and they seem to go down really well, and I thought I haven't done one in probably about 9 to 10 months and I think it's time for an update. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I would really love to know down below in the comments what you would suggest to buy for £50, or even just a few products that you really love and would recommend to anybody. I'd love to know in the comments below. But yes, if you haven't subscribed, obviously make sure you subscribe. We are on our way to 9.6 thousand of you, which absolutely insane. I'm so thankful. So if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. As soon as we hit 10k, I am going to be announcing my giveaway winner. If you haven't entered, make sure you do. I will leave it in my description. If not, it's on my channel. Type in 10k giveaway, it will come up. Enter that. But yes, I'm going to dive into the video. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So the first item I would recommend is the Twilight bath bomb. Now I suggest Twilight bath bomb to basically anybody unless you really despise lavender. This bath bomb is absolutely incredible. It's pink and blue, it has a silver luster inside, the water goes the most incredible lavender purple, but it has vanilla and lavender kind of essence to the scent, so it's not like a pure garden lavender smell. Ingredients wise, this one has lavender oil, benzoin resinoid, tonka absolute and ylang ylang oil in it, so it's not a pure garden lavender. You guys know me, I don't like garden smells, like pure dirt, garden, musky, earthy smells, not my vibe, but this one is so sweet. It's just so luxurious, and I cannot recommend a Twilight bath bomb enough. If you've not tried it, you need to try it. The outside layer is a different type of fizzer to the middle, so it just looks absolutely stunning in the water, and I recommend it to everybody. If you want a nice relaxing bath bomb, Twilight bath bomb is the one you have to buy because it's just so good. Next up, we have a classic product that again I mention in probably every single favourites video, and that is the Mask of Magnaminty. Now this face mask, probably not the best for people who have highly sensitive skin. So if that's you, don't buy this face mask, but if you have combination to kind of any other skin type, I suppose, as long as you're not sensitive, this face mask is so good. Price wise, for a 125 gram pot it is £9, so it is quite expensive, but honestly it's one of the best face masks I have ever used, especially when I have breakouts and things like that. It just works so incredibly well. I recommend personally going for the self-preserving option. There is a normal option, but the self-preserving has more honey in it. I just find that it's more moisturising in the pot, it doesn't dry out as quick, and it just feels nicer on the skin. That is my personal opinion. You may like the other one more, but that is my favourite. And ingredients wise, this one has kaolin, honey, talc, ground organic aduki beans, evening primrose seeds, peppermint oil and vanilla absolute. So it's kind of your classic green face mask. It's that movie green face mask vibe, and I absolutely love it. And I have used tubs and tubs and tubs of this. If you've watched any of my Lush empties videos, you will know I go through this very quickly. I really love this face mask. At the moment I am getting the Fresh and Flowers boxes, so I'm not buying as many face masks anymore, but that was my ultimate go-to and I absolutely love it. So if you've not tried it, I promise you it's amazing. Next up we have one of the most popular products from Lush, and that is the Comforter Bubble Bar. Now this is £5.95, which to some people can seem quite expensive, but I can get about 6 to 8 baths out of one of these depending on how many bubbles I want and how much water pressure there is in the tap. You can get so many baths out of this, and the smell of this is so good. My friend Kelsey hates the smell of the Comforter, which I don't understand, because to me the Comforter smells so good. It's so nice. It basically smells like Ribena, blackcurrant Ribena. It's so sweet and it's just so nice. I always kind of imagine it being like Snow Fairy's older sister. Do you know what I mean? Like it's just, she's got a bit more edge to her, you know. She's so good and I cannot recommend it enough. Again, I have used countless amounts of these. I would happily have a box of them. They smell amazing. And a little tip, if you haven't done it, mix this with the Bright Side Bubble Bar. It's a dream combo, so try it, thank me later. It's amazing, and obviously you could get like 12 to 16 baths out of it, so delicious. Next up we have a body lotion, and that is the Sleepy body lotion. Now if you guys know me, you'll know that Twilight is one of my all-time favourite scents. It is very warming and calming and comforting for me. I absolutely love the smell. It's lavender vanilla, so it's very, very sweet, very light, very fresh, very just relaxing and amazing. And Sleepy is basically Twilight, so it's just a beautiful lavender and vanilla scented body lotion. It's got a very thick texture, so it's very rich, very creamy on the skin, which I don't really particularly love, but for the smell I will use this forever, and I always use it before bed anyway, so I can't really feel it on my skin. But honestly, it just smells absolutely incredible. It makes my skin feel so, so soft, and I cannot recommend Sleepy body lotion enough to anyone that has issues sleeping and things like that. It's just so, so good. Price wise, for a 95 g pot, it is £9. Again, it is quite expensive, but you only need a tiny bit of it, and it does last a very, very long time. It takes me a very long time to go through body lotions anyway, so a pot this size would last me months, and honestly, it's just so good. Ingredients wise, you have oat milk, almond oil, lavender water, lavender flower infusion, lavender oil, jojoba oil, fair trade organic cocoa butter, ylang ylang oil, and tonka absolute. It's full of amazing ingredients. If you need a really rich, nice, gentle lotion, try Sleepy. Let me know your thoughts, because it's just amazing. The next item is a body scrub, and that is the Scrubby Body Scrub. Now, I couldn't tell you how many scrubbies I've used over the past few years. Honestly, it's one of the best body scrubs I have ever used. The only thing with it is if you use it in the bath, you do get like a oily residue on the bath. So this is more of a shower scrub for me. I find that it works so much better in the shower, but because it is like cocoa butter and a scrub in one, like the bits will get stuck to you. Does that make sense? I hope I'm explaining this right, but when you're in the shower it washes off a lot easier. But ingredients wise, in this one we have fair trade organic cocoa butter, shea butter, ground coconut shell, honey, ground almonds, coconut oil, bergamot oil, and Brazilian orange oil. That was a mouthful. Price wise, they are also £9 each, but mine last a really long time. When I use it in the shower, I step away from the water. I scrub myself all over, put it back in the little pot, and then I kind of step back into the shower. I find that if I'm stood under the shower, I just kind of get, like, it just kind of melts too quick. Does that make sense? Anyway, Scrubby is amazing. Highly recommend. If you've not tried it, it's so good, honestly, and it smells like chocolate, cocoa butter, yumminess. It's amazing. Next up we have a shampoo. Now I know a lot of you are going to be thinking it's going to be new shampoo bar. It's not. I'm changing it up because you guys know I love new shampoo bar anyway. I feel like I've spoke about that one too much, so I'm giving a shout out to something different, and that is the Big Shampoo. I haven't used Big Shampoo in a while, but I honestly cannot tell you how much I love Big Shampoo. It is one of the most incredible products I have ever used. It's a sea salt shampoo, but it's really softening. It's great to give your hair some volume and some texture. It's very nice for like that beachy kind of vibe, but the smell, I cannot tell you how amazing this smells. I can't even describe it. It just is so yummy that you need to go and smell it. Ingredients wise, it has sea salt, fresh lemon infusion, fresh seawater, seaweed infusion, lime juice, coconut oil, neroli oil, mandarin oil, and vanilla absolute, and orange flower absolute. So by the ingredients, obviously you do have the citrus, you do have the sea salt, so it is a little bit more on the drier side, but because it's got all the oils and the butters and things in there as well, it is really softening on the hair. And obviously when you're shampooing the hair, you don't want to shampoo the ends anyway. Keep it on the scalp. Because of the hard chunks of the sea salt, it's exfoliating. It's just so delicious and amazing. And price wise, for a 130 gram pot, which is the smallest, it's £8. So again, it is an expensive shampoo, but honestly you need the smallest amount. I lather it up on my hands before I use it. I rub it into my scalp only, and it's just amazing. And last but not least, which brings my total to £48.85, and that is the Dragon's Egg Bath Bomb. Now, Dragon's Egg is one of those bath bombs which I think is so amazing, but because it's white, it just looks like it's going to be a little bit boring. But honestly, Dragon's Egg is such an amazing bath bomb. It's got glitter, it's got confetti, it's got popping candy in it, it smells like lemon sherbet. It's so delicious and incredible, and this was the first bath bomb I bought myself when I worked for Lush, so it holds so many sentimental memories, and the smell is just, it's mouth-watering. It is so good. Price-wise, it's £3.95 again, so the same price as the Twilight bath bomb, but ingredients-wise, this one has popping candy, lemon oil, bergamot oil, jasmine absolute, gardenia extract, and I think that is it. Yes, that is basically it. So it's really, really citrusy, really mouth-watering. It smells like lemon sherbet, like I said, like, you know, those sweets with like the fizzy stuff in the middle. So good, and it makes the water an incredible orange, glittery gold amazingness, and I promise you it's so nice. And the actual bath bomb itself is like a foamy bath bomb with the middle being like a quick fizzer, so it's just so good. Honestly, Dragon's Egg is a classic. It will always be a classic, and I love it, and I never really talk about it anymore, but I absolutely love Dragon's Egg, so if you haven't tried it, get one. It's amazing. So those are all of the things from Lush that I would recommend to you guys to buy with £50 to spend. Like I said at the beginning of this video, let me know down below in the comments what you would change, what I've suggested and you don't like, things that you absolutely love. I would love to know in the comments. I love talking with you guys, and I reply to every single comment. So I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Please don't forget to subscribe. It makes me incredibly, incredibly happy to have you join my corner of the internet, and I will see you very, very soon for another Lush video. Bye guys!